What's going on, guys? It's Cody and Cody. We are back with another mini moto vlog for y'all. Y'all already know. Y'all gotta learn to expect when I'm on a motorcycle, I'm gonna be full of energy. So y'all just gotta get used to it. Y'all got Cody with the energy when we do all the rap vlogs. Y'all gonna have this Cody with the energy with the oop. Had my blinker on. But yeah, anyway, today's a little fun one. And it's fun because we have no idea what we're doing. So basically, we just decided we were actually going to go out to here locally. They wanted to start doing a mini moto Monday setup because they do it on Fridays, and so they wanted to do Mondays too. Well, everybody was complaining about it being hot and whatnot, and yeah, so basically decided, you know what, we're just going to go mob around ourselves and see what we can find. Who knows what we're going to get into. I mean, on the last one, my exhaust fell off. You know, that was kind of exciting. These things are so squirrely. We both look at each other because we think of the same thing. Anytime we see a place that's like, no, you can't go that way, we're like, well, we could fit.
If it fits, it ships.
I'm pretty sure that only applies to cars. Otherwise, they would have put up like cinder block walls, right? You know? That boy going on the sidewalk. Look at him. He said, well, this is fun. Well, that's exciting. Ah, he went in the grass. Man, they scraped their car all the way up. They no driving asses. Wee, wee, wee. It's a little toasty today, guys. Where are we going?
I don't know, I guess we can turn off in the neighborhood somewhere.
Fuck, bro, do not do that. Get over there. Get over there. Stop being stupid. Yeah, do that. Yeah, see, look at that. If you would have done that on the other side. It's a duck. Swan.
Stop looking at me, Swan.
It's the whole part. Damn, I stalled. How you do that? Okay, well. We said we were gonna do this. Got some doggies up front. You know, there's always gonna be some Karens. Who cares? You only live once, right? Cool little golf trails. Honestly, it doesn't even look like a well taken care of golf course. Like, it's pretty run down. And then we just do a U-ey. Oh, look, there's a trail though. Sheesh! Talk about putting your suspension to work. He's like, you gonna do it? Oh man, the shit my boy be getting me into. Oh, I didn't have it. I didn't have it. Damn. Sheesh. Bro, what the?
You must be a drugger.
Huh? Oh, I was like, what? What is going on? Sheesh. Man, I saw that golf course and I was like, well, I mean, we always said we were going to ride on one. I didn't realize there were so many trails through it.
They decommissioned the golf course and just made it a walking trail.
I was going to say, it looks like it's not really taken that well care of, you know? Yeah, I was in second. That was the problem. Bro, I was giving it gas and it was like, why are you struggling so go? Like, but yeah, that made sense.
Let's go see what these trails are.
Hell yeah.
See how many bikers try to beat us up.
Right. So yeah, right. They get so mad. No motorized bikes on our trails.
We're going slow.
Right. Ooh. This is fun. Dang. Oh my God. Yeah, they be riding bikes back here. It's legit a whole trail. Man, this is crazy. Sure hope none of this grass itches my legs. Cardinal?
Bunch of them.
Holy moly. What? Oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. I feel like I just saw a little frog on the ground. I might have just ran him over. Dang. Tiny itty bitty trails. Oh, no. That's a little awkward. I hate this. Come on. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. There we go. What are you doing, man? See, this is my big ass friend over here. He's got legs and reach and he be doing stuff I don't feel like I can really do. It's all good though. We figure out a way. Because if there's a will, there's a way. And this is what we're doing today. By the way, if you guys haven't already, make sure you go hit that subscribe button. Also, leave a comment down below. Let us know if you enjoy these adventures. Because we got plenty more coming y'all's way. Yeah! That's saying something else. Do, 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 do. Ooh, there's some people. There's some people walking. It's like if y'all walking it, we want to ride it. It's like y'all get to have the fun on it, but we can't. Man, they go all over the place. See, in reality, we're doing a community service because the more we ride on roads like this, the more they'll be paved for walkers and runners. No idea where we're at. What the hell? Oh, we went in that way? No. No, it's different, right? This is not the same spot. That's crazy though, there's so many. Yeah, there's people walking over there. This is sick. So now what? Okay. Come on. Let's go back the other way. Hell no. I'm just trying to find some more of those trails. We got kids playing soccer. Yeah, that's a whole park over here. It's a little rocky. Fuck it. We gonna send it. We gonna send it. It's an armadillo. It's an armadillo. Hey, armadillo. Hey, armadillo. It's an armadillo. You know it's Texas when you see an armadillo. Doom, doom, doom. My leg's already itching because we got grass and plants rubbing against it. Ooh. Oh, this is the fun stuff. Yeet! Sheesh! Dead end? Ah! Just go in neutral, you son of a gun. Oh, this sand stuff is so hard to move around in. Okay, we're gonna do this again. Well, I didn't have to pick it up that time. Yeet. Oh yeah, we got back where we came from. That was fun. That boy got a stick in his helmet. Look at the puppy.
That's so much fun.
Yeah.
Give me a chai latte, please.
No side, north side, show you ride. 4 girls in an SUV sitting side by side. We at the street light, waiting for it to turn green. We on a little mini motor bikes and we ride them, and the light turned green. Oh, riding on the motor bike, riding on the motor bike, riding. Oh, I got a sudden burst of energy. Let's go. Scoot. That smells great. There's just so much to explore. We're like both looking like, which way should we go? But it's just like, we go this way, oh, that was cool. Hey, there's something over here we could go to, this and that, you know? Man, I haven't even, we've been riding for, what, I don't know, what's the camera say? An hour. We've been riding for an hour. And, yeah, I haven't dropped one fuel bar. Yeet, yeet. Ah. Well, that's a dumb way to have security. Yeah, we're gonna fence this off, but leave an opening over here. The moon! The moon!
You said it just like I did.
The moon! Did I? Oh, we need to get both cameras.
That shit said the moon.
The moon! What y'all doing? Nice little, what you want to call this? Water, what are these called? I don't even remember what that's called. I'll think about it after I make the video. What is that called again? What is that?
Reservoir?
Reservoir, yeah. I couldn't think of the name. I was like...
No, retention pond.
Retention pond, yeah. Because you have one of those. Yeah. It was doing something nasty. There's no reason why you should be parked all off on a dead-end area with you and someone else if you're not doing anything weird. Y'all doing the little nasty. Say hi, children. They ain't even want to say hi. Rude. Every turn he turns into, it's a dead end. He did that on the trails earlier. She's gonna run me over. I keep false neutral, which I don't even understand that concept. How's it a false neutral if I went in neutral? It wasn't false, that's a true statement. So we're just gonna stop and grab something to drink, but I just noticed that the battery is on 2%, so that's gonna have to cut it for this vlog because this little Cody decided he only wanted to bring 1 battery instead of 2. So I'm gonna learn for next time, but we got a ton more vlogs and adventures for you guys. So if you so if you like this one, man, please feel free to hit that like button. Also comment down below, let us know what you thought about those trails, if you like the content. But at the end of the day, we appreciate you watching. Y'all have a good one. Peace. What? Wait.